Welcome back to Living in Dumaguete. Once again, this is your Red Angel. For today's video, we are here in a house located in Upper Maayong Tubig, Dauin. This house features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a fully furnished house. Tara, let's have a closer look. Oh my peeps, before we get in, I'll show you first the front veranda. Come with me. So now, I'll show you the inside of the house. Wow, 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 wow! This living area is huge. As you can see, the owner also provide a 2 split-type aircon in the living area, a beautiful and comfortable sofa, and also a 55 inches TV. So my peeps, what are you waiting for? Grant it here now! So my peeps, from here in the living area, go straight to the kitchen area. So kitchen area provides a 2 dining table rather. The first dining table has 6 seaters and the other one has 3 seaters. By the way, my peeps, all the appliances and furnitures that you see in this video are all included in the rent. So now, I'll show you the first bedroom. This first bedroom offers a double size of bed and a cabinet. This is the common bathroom with hot and cold shower. And now, let's go to the second bedroom. This bedroom offers a king size of bed. This bedroom offers a queen size of bed, split-type aircon, and a cabinet. And I can't wait to show you the huge master bedroom with ensuite bathroom. Tara, come with me! So my peeps, this master bedroom offers a king size of bed, built-in closet, split-type aircon, and you have also a shoe rack there. And now, let's go to the master bathroom. You have a closet here. And then shower area is here with hot and cold shower, and the comfort room is here. And also my peeps, this washing area is included. And now, I will show you the outside of the house. In this area, you can use it as your outside kitchen or laundry area. And this is their water tank and water pressure. This house offers a guest house inside the property too. addition, my peeps, this house is a pet-friendly, has a big lawn, and a gated and fence to add security and safety. So what are you waiting for? If you are interested for a private viewing, kindly contact Alma Almonte Fulco. Full details provided below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated. Thank you so much for watching, my peeps. Love you!